So ThinkRoo just launched version 2.2. Want to know what's in it? It's got 7 new features that are going to make your scheduling faster and easier. Let's get started. So you just finished creating your schedule and a new revised script just showed up. How are you going to get the information from the new script into your existing schedule? First thing is to upload the new script into your project. Next, on the Schedules page, click Manage on your schedule, and you'll see a new feature that allows you to revise an existing script. First, select the existing script, then select the revised script. And when you click Start, it's going to create a revised revision report. This shows you every scene in your script and what has changed from the last script to the new script. And you have total control over what gets imported into your schedule. For example, in scene 1, it used to be a night scene and now it's a day scene in the new script. If I don't want to make that change in the schedule, I can just uncheck that box. Or if I don't want to apply all of a particular type of field to the changes, I can click Show Fields and turn off, for instance, all the descriptions. And now none of the descriptions will be changed when I import this material into my existing schedule. Once I like all the changes that it's about to make, I click Ingest Changes, and ThinkRoo has ingested all of those changes into this existing schedule. When I open up the schedule, all of those changes have been made automatically for me. Inside the Scenario Manager, I now have the ability to change the start day number. Previously, your first day of shooting was day 1, but now I can change this to day 0 if I want. Go back here to my board, and now my shoot is starting on day 0, then goes to day 1, 2, and so on. And of course, I'm not just limited to day 0 or 1. I can actually set this to -1, go back here to my board, and now I'm starting on day -1, then I go to 0, 1, and 2, and so on. Or I could start my shoot on day 10 if I wanted. And see how that looks right here. You now have total control over what shoot day your board starts on. The Category Manager gives you individual control over the different colors of your different categories. I can set these to any color that I'd like. It also includes pre-made color palettes. If I want to use the scriptation colors, these are all the colors that scriptation uses. If I want to use the final draft colors, these are all the colors that final draft uses. And of course I can reset these back to the ThinkRoo default with one click. ThinkRoo now lets you set the start date for your board right in the menu bar. Just click, select a new date, and you're done. ThinkRoo is a new way to navigate large schedules like this feature shoot that goes on for 30 days. Instead of having to scroll all the way through your schedule like that, go to the board options and select Show MiniMap. A MiniMap is a miniaturized version of your schedule that allows you to easily see where you are in your schedule right now and to navigate to a new place very quickly with one click. If I want to go down to where all of this night work is, I can just click right there, and now I'm inside of that night work. If I want to go all the way to the top, I just click the top, and now I'm at the top of my schedule. This is a fantastic feature for quickly navigating large schedules, and it's going to save you a ton of time. ThinkRoo now has 2 new print features, the ability to turn off all of the color on your strips, and the ability to print only the strips that are currently selected on the board. And lastly, elements now show an icon when they were added because of another linked element. For instance, Potter's wheelchair is added because Potter is in the scene and therefore gets the icon. And if I want to see why that element was added, I can just hover over the icon and it'll show me which element is its parent. If you have any questions about this or any other topics, email us at this address right here or hit us up on social media. Don't forget to click like, hit subscribe, and turn on alerts so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you so much for watching. That's a wrap.